How to view word count in MS Word on mobile. So first of all, launch MS Word app on your mobile devices. Now once you come here, you can launch your existing saved documents or simply tap on plus button to create a new document. Choose a layout for your document. Then simply write a text. Now in order to see the word count, tap on this upward arrow button at the bottom right corner. Then you'll see the option of Home. Select on it. Then you'll see the option of Review. Tap on it. Now from here, select Word Count. With that, you will be able to see word count along with number of pages, words, characters, with and without spaces. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.